Hey, what's up guys? I'm Evan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a basic PIXI.js scene in Expo and React Native. This is a very simple one. You see we have Mario over here on the side, and he's spinning around, he's having fun, he's having a good time, and we can do any kind of PIXI.js thing in here. If you're not familiar with PIXI.js, this is their little gallery. You see there's just tons of things you can do, and now you can do all this stuff natively with React Native in Expo. This is pretty exciting. So I've set up a small snack here which exports a basic React Native component, which is just wrapping the GL view. A link for the snack will be in the description below, so you too can watch Mario spin on your phone endlessly. So the GL view, you're just going to import that from Expo or Expo GL, and then it has this on context create prop right here. Now this is pretty similar to on the web. If you do context is assigned like canvas.get context OGL. So on the web, it's basically the same as doing this, where you extract the context from your canvas, and that's what we're doing here with this prop. So asynchronously, we're going to be given the context, and then we're going to pass it to expopixi.application, and this is going to return a new PIXI.js application. If you're not familiar with PIXI.js, app and application, those are like the base layer of any of your projects. Think of it like the scene in Three.js. If you don't know what Three.js is, think of it like the root element in React. If you don't know what React is, think of it like... But anyways, after we get this app, then we can add whatever kind of sprite we want to it. So you see here we're creating a sprite using expopixi.sprite async, and then we can pass in whatever kind of image we want. It can be a static resource, it can be an Expo asset, or it could just be a remote URL from the web. You see I'm using this picture of Mario here. We can go and get any other kind of picture we want. You want to grab me a picture of something? You want to get me Sans in 8-bit? This won't work because it's got the background. And then, you know, because this guy's clear for whatever reason, we can just set the background color of our application by passing in the background color. Oh, never mind, we can't do that. OXFF. There we go. By passing in a numeric hex value, we can set the background color. And now we've got a different guy spinning around endlessly here. After we make our sprite, we can add it to the Pixi project by doing app.stage.addChildren. Stage is kind of like the scene graph in PIXI.js. And then to make him spin, we're taking the sprite.anchor point and we're setting it to 0.5. If we leave this at 0, for instance, he'll be spinning around the top left axis, which is just not right. And then we're setting Mr. Sans here to the middle of the screen by doing app.screen.width divided by 2, and height and all that. And to make it spin, we just have this ticker method, and we can add a function to it, sprite.rotation, and then we're adding some small value to it. Make that smaller, make him spin a little slower. Whatever you want, however you want to do it. But I mean, I could stop the tutorial after this part. Anyways guys, that is how to set up a PIXI.js project in React Native using Expo GL and Expo Pixi. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below or tweet them at me at baconbricks. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.